Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with detailed instructions to help you remove the browser pop-ups and intrusive advertisements that are related to the site youractualjournal.com. This site, youractualjournal.com, is a new malicious site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users continue watching some content. The reality is that it's a mistake to click on allow. This may hijack the browser right away with a lot of pop-ups and advertisements which are not really decent. To deactivate them, access the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, then go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site. Finally, my recommendation is that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other possibly hidden threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.